Get inspired. Get inspired. All right, let's talk about histograms. So I decided to make some lists for A slot and H slot. These are test scores. These aren't real test scores. I just made them up just so we have some data points. But if you scroll down, you'll see there are a bunch of different test scores in these. So let's make a histogram to represent some of this data and see how that looks. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hit, actually, I need to open up a new window. So I'm going to go to Control, Add a Page. I'm going to add Data and Statistics. And when I do that, I get this window here. And then it's like a bunch of numbers all over the place. That's not really all that helpful. Well, we need to line it all up nicely. So here's what we do. You go down here again. You can get to there by swiping through here and then just click on it. And then the variable you're going to want to add is your A slot. All right. And now it kind of lines them up nicely for me, and you can kind of hover over them and see what the different values are. But to actually create the histogram, you have to hit the menu button. A lot of things live in that menu button. You're going to live there too someday. So you go plot type, histogram, and there it's created a histogram. Now, it just kind of chose the width that it wanted to choose. I guess it, did about two values for two points for between each width. And so you can change the bin size. One thing is, again, grab your cursor by swiping, and then you can actually just take one of these guys and grab it and pull it out like so. And that's one way, a little bit clunky. There's a better way to change your bin size, and that's to go to Menu again. Go to Plot Properties. Go to Histogram Properties. Go to Bin Settings. This is deep. And go to Equal Bin Width. I'm going to change it so it's like 3.33333 between them all. And my alignment will be like, let's do like 50 so that it's kind of every 10. But then if I want to actually make it so I can see it, because notice some of these bars are going off, I need to go to Menu again. Window, Zoom Data will fit it all nice. And if I want to actually scoot in a little bit, I kind of like to see it based on the 10s. So what this basically tells me is that there are 4 people that got A pluses, and 2 that got A's, 2 that got A minuses, and so forth and so on. So it's kind of a cool little thing. Now I can also look at the H slot class and compare that as well. So here's how I would do that. I go to Menu again. I'm going to go to Plot Properties. I'm going to add an X variable, and I'm going to add the H slot class. And boom, there it is. Pretty slick. And again, you can hover over it, and it can tell you all the different values you got here as well. So very, very cool. I think that's all I got for you. So it's time to go search for Bigfoot. Bye.